28 project files and 4 different leads, the same client, three of them with the three different status. Nothing was lost. Everything was somewhere. So this is all lives on now. One screen, everything the business knows. The people, what does said, the money, the memory in one place of my own machine from zero a month. So this is the thing I have charged for the $500,000 for somebody else business. I'm going to open it all of it. So here you can see one machine, everything wide. So everything was touches. So it was connected to my Cloud Code, N10, and the Notion OS, and the Grapify, Instagram collectors, whatever's maybe memory and the lead stores, and also if you can connect it to the YouTube also. So it have the six pillars. They have the wiring and the model planning memory, and I will show them all to them. And there was a one collector like that. So from the scattered information will collected through the OS system and go through the dashboard and the dream machine and the page. And here you can see. So not a mock-up screen thing running. So these are the images of the screenshot of the OS system. Read from the machine itself. So 8 buckets and 4 cards and one night. So it was cost efficient and it was run locally. And there are workflows, sessions, outside skills, and the businesses. So the same hands build this. Project portfolio and medical revenue and green. These are the previous projects as I was done. Every feature ends on one problem. You can see here. So the model keep getting better, making the things the hard time with themselves. Why? Because it was a running in a loop, frequent loop. So now I Yeah, here you can see. I just started creating animation and it was created this agentic test online. I was spending $200 a month and at $1,164 equivalent value. And this was the today's result. I was in 45 in motion 233 and 0 and 8 databases. I have one Cloud Max account, one Pro and ChatGPT Plus, one Cloud Max, and here you can see I was have also have Hermes. The Hermes will work as an employee here. So if I want anything or if I have any questions, I can directly ask it. The Hermes was running on Opus 4.8 here you can see. So it will show what I want to improvise. Yep, see here you can say apply. Most of what I didn't read all of this. So the caveman, the skills I was using, it will show what I was using the most of them. It was the Graphify, it was a knowledge graph, so that can reduce the total consumption for 90 to 95%. The what plugins into this operator? It was connected to Superbase, Gemini, Google Calendar, Canva. I didn't use Canva. Zapier now, and Gemma. I was using Llama models. So Kaushik, automation as you can see the global lead store. In the schedule task also it will apply and it will see sessions per day. Yeah, it will show here also. If we can go through the next one. Yeah, this is my complete daily routine. I was integrated this. I can access through my mobile also. And same the Notion brain, but I didn't change the design. It was doing our before the design was the same. You can see the screenshots before I shown here, but I was changing it was not quite good. I was changing it with black and white, which was my side theme. Yeah, here you can see the content pipeline, and if I can go to it, I can it will directly redirect it to my Notion. Yeah, save it leads default view pipeline and on. Yeah. Then if you go through the content, I was connected my complete content creation system. So where you can see the subscribers and I was connected through API. So the main advantage of this was simple. I can get the real numbers, the updated numbers, not like random numbers. Yeah. And next to the outreach, yeah, you can say it was have some certain good scrolling animation. The complete what I was doing, the wrong numbers, the wrong question, and the score on 5 dimension, the score by the research, not the other way around. Yeah, you can see it was a complete scroll down animation I was created myself, and it will give me the complete report by day. Certainly, everything step by step. What I want to improvise, it will show the problem or what I want to do in the outreach system. And this was the main important thing, the capabilities and the skills, how much I was using loop router, brainstorming super, SA main sales agent, OS. Yeah, you can see the complete skills I was using, and they are running in a loop. Then after memory, it's the same, the graphic file, and it will reduce the token consumption for 90%. And here you can see this is an local OS one I was created by myself. It was so good, it was working right now. If you can go through the connectors, every connector will show now the N10 was down. Yeah. And live probably connections, it will show the live connections, what I have, air model subscriptions. And the main use case of this is everything at one place, like literally everything. And it will shows the activity.